Ken from WeFix Tech here with another phone repair for you guys today. We're going to be working on a Samsung Note 9 LCD and frame replacement. It's a little bit technical, this repair, but if you follow the steps of my video, you guys will master it like a pro. Alright, let's do this!
In this repair, we will be replacing the glass, LCD and new frame. Use a heat gun to heat the back of the glass up. Do not exceed 85 degrees. Use a spudger tool or a thin blade to get under the glass. Using the spudger tool, very carefully go around the back of the glass. Always apply heat evenly and consistently. This can take some time, so be very patient. Keep applying heat. Keep in mind, watch your fingers for any shards of glass. Now you have removed the back glass, you can proceed to remove the screws. You will need a Phillips screwdriver for this. Remove the charging pad and the charging port cover. Disconnect the battery. Remove the front cameras and any other flex cables that are connected to the board. Remove the SIM tray. There is a screw on the very top holding the logic board. There are two more screws holding in the logic board down the bottom. Remove the logic board from the housing. There are three screws holding in the charging port and the headphone jack. Remove these. Add a little heat to the headphone jack to make it easier to remove. Remove the vibrator. Gently pry into the microphone of the charging port and gently pull it out. It is time to remove the earpiece speaker. This, you may need a bit of heat to do so. There is a little cavity on the right side of the speaker. Put a screwdriver under there and gently pry it up. Remove the tape that's holding the proximity sensors in. Then remove the proximity sensor. Now it's time to remove the battery. To do this, add a bit of heat on the front of the glass. By heating the front of the glass, this reactivates the adhesive strips that are holding the battery in and makes it easier to remove. Get a tool and pry the battery off. Now it's time to reinstall all the parts back into the new housing. To do this, reverse the process. Now it's time to install the new back glass. You will need the fingerprint from the old glass to install it onto the new glass. Add a bit of heat and then gently pry the fingerprint off the old glass and install back into the new glass. It's time to glue the back glass on with B6000. Once you have finished the gluing, reactivate the adhesive strips on the back door glass This just makes it a lot easier to install. Reconnect the fingerprint. Now gently press the back door glass into the frame while keeping note. Always keep the alignment evenly spaced. Install your rubber bands. This helps to compress the back door glass into the frame. Leave the rubber bands on for at least 1 hour or overnight. Once the rubber bands are ready to come off, then you just clean up the excess glue from the back door glass and give the phone a clean. And there you have it, guys. If you've got this far in the repair, pat yourself on the back. Good work.